aboard to another Enid Blyton series. This is the mystery series, also known as the Found Outer series. So, we have the box set. Let's start introducing. I'll take a book out. Give me a second. I'm going to take the first book out and put this book back in. First we have The Mystery of the Burnt Cottage. Who could have set fire to Mr. Nick's cottage? The suspects include the tramp and even the housekeeper, Mrs. Mills. The 5 find-outers and dog aim to solve the mystery before Mr. Goon, the grumpy policeman. I'll keep the book over here. The Mystery of the Disappearing Cat. This was the first book that I read. Okay. Luke was working in the garden when Lady Candling's valuable cat was stolen. But could it have been the cat's carer, Mrs. Harmer, or even Lady Candling's companion, Miss Trimble? The 5 find-outers and dog are on the case. The Mystery of the Secret Room. Fatty astonishes Mr. Goon with his wonderful disguise, while he tries to discover who is using Miss Grump's old house and why. Inspector Jenks will help the 5 find-outers again, and there's a surprise for Mr. Goon. The Mystery of the Spiteful Letters. Something is sending spiteful letters. Gladys and Mr. Goons are terribly upset. There are lots of suspects. It could be gossipy Miss Littletoe or Old Nosey, a very curious man. The 5 find-outers and dog will find the culprit. The Mystery of the Missing Necklace. You know, this guy kind of looks like an old warlock. Kind of like Dumbledore. I don't know. Fatty's disguises are better than ever. No one recognizes him as a balloon seller or as the old man in the village. Burglaries are going on and the police are baffled. It's a new mystery for the 5 find-outers and dog. I noticed that in each and every mystery series like Secret 7, Mystery, Famous 5, all of these have a dog. Like the dog over here, and Scamper and Timmy. The Mystery of the Hidden House. Mr. Goon's nephew, Ern, has disappeared on the road to Harry's Folly. Does the gatekeeper, Mr. Peters, or Mr. Holland know anything about it? The 5 find-outers are determined to solve the mystery. The Mystery of the Pantomime Cat. The theatre safe has been broken into and Boise, the pantomime cat, is top of the list of suspects. But could his friend and fellow actor Zoe be the real thief? PC Pippin is on the case with... I'm sorry. PC Pippin is on the case with the 5 find-outers and the dog. The Mystery of the Invisible Thief. PC Pippin. I'm sorry. Who is the mysterious robber that disappears from the scene of the crime without a trace? Can the 5 find-outers and dog discover the thief's identity before Mr. Goon does? The Mystery of the Vanished Prince. A prince has disappeared and it seems that twin babies are the only clue. Is the prince being held against his will? The 5 find-outers and Mr. Goon's nephew Ern intend to track him down and rescue him. The Mystery of the Strange Bundle. what was in the strange bundle that Mr. Fellows was seen carrying when he fled his house in the dead of the night, and who else is trying to get hold of it. A new puzzle for the 5 find-outers and dog. I'm getting a bit creepy of this 5 find-outers and dog thing. And dog, and dog, and dog. The Mystery of Holly Lane. Money has been stolen from a bungalow called Holly's, and how are all the furniture has gone too. Who could be the thief, possibly? Fatty and the gang are hot on the trail, but so is Mr. Goon. Honestly, my opinion on Mr. Goon is that he's very bad. If he's policeman, he should always go and help the people. I don't know why. The Mystery of Tally-Ho Cottage. The tenants of Tally-Ho Cottage have been banished, along with the priceless painting. Have the Lorenzos gone far? Good. Could the Larkins of Tally-Ho Cottage be the blunts to blame? The 5 find-outers and dog are soon on the thief trail, with a little help from Earth. The Mystery of the Missing Man. The dangerous criminal is on the run, and he's also a master of disguise. Could it be Mr. Tolly, or do the Fango twins know the culprit's identity? The 5 find-outers and dog aim to find out, with a little help from Enid. The Mystery of the Strange Message. Who is responsible for the strange messages that keep turning up from Mr. Goon? Are Mr. and Mrs. Smith involved, and does Mr. Hicks know more than she appears to? Fatty and the gang are determined to find out. Last but not least, The Mystery of Banshee Towers. This was my favorite book and I couldn't wait until I got it, because I'm kind of into horror stories and a banshee is one of my favorite horror characters. Wailing banshees are not the only mystery that Banshee Towers hides. Other secrets too. Does the turnstile man or the owner know anything about them? Buster and Bingo, as well as the 5 find-outers, are hot on the trail. Okay, so let me show you the back with all the names and few of the characters. So this is the books and this is the box. So what I'm telling you is answer the question that I'm putting on the comment box and subscribe, like, share, comment, click that bell icon over there to get any of my other videos, and also watch my old videos if you haven't watched them, if you have joined my channel new. So bye, see you in another day. Ciao, dear.